because I know that I've been wanting to try cupping like forever. But as far as like release and stuff like that, like it felt really good after. The marks on my back are freaking gnarly though. Like they're really intense, and they said that they're gonna last 7 to 10 days.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.